like to call upon Glamac to go ahead with the presentation.
Delegates and fellow farmers, I am Dr. Rahul Mogle. I am from Glamac International Private Limited, Thane-based company. I am here to present one solution on gut health management from Glamac. There is very less time, it is a limited time. That's why I'm not focusing much on litter management, because we have the guests who are here to focus on gut health. They will tell you much better insight into that. So I will go with my product. So the basic concepts of the gut health. So gut is the engine for the performance of birds. All the digestion and absorption of nutrients, it happens in the gut. Gut covers almost 70% part of the immunity in the birds. So interact diseases, they reduces your FCR performance, and they also impact the immunity of the birds. Actually, litter is the mirror of the gut health and the performance of the birds. You can know what's happening in the gut by just looking at the litter. There is undigested feed or wet litter, everything you can see at your farm, and you can see how the gut is going. Then, how litter affects gut health? Litter is linked to the gut health. What happens on floor, go to the gut, and from gut to floor. You can see here is the cycle happens at the farm. If the wet litter is there, the pathogen growth will happen, then bird ingests that litter material, then the gut inflammation happens, digestive disorder happens, then again, from that wet litter condition, you can see at the farm. So it all goes to poor litter, weak gut, and poor performance, and your economy of your farm will look like this bucket. So healthier gut is equal to healthy gut. So litter and gut, they both work together. If you fix the litter, then you fix the bird, automatically you will fix the litter problems and the performance of your bird. So what you need to do, the maintain litter quality, the good ventilation is also required, then fix water leaks, adjust drinkers, and last, what you use for gut health products and litter management, it is also important. So I am presenting you one gut health solution from Glamac. It's Synca HBR50. It's a smart and research-backed solution from Glamac. It's novel antibacterial, antidiarrheal, and gut health modulator product. We have developed it with several trials. Next. So it is composed of some unique ingredients, such as polymeric silicate, which is secret ingredient of Glamac, which have developed after the 2 years of research and trial. Then cinnamon tannins, natural polyphenol, aldehydes, nanozinc essential oil complex, phytogenic antidiarrheal herbs, and Saccharomyces boulardii cotyl granulates, which are suitable for even pelleted feed. These all ingredients working together work as a better antibacterial and antidiarrheal product. We have done several studies in vivo as well as in vitro studies. In vivo study, we find how the antibacterial potency of the Synca HBR. So we have found that it works better than BMD and halconol in zone of inhibition. It shows stronger antibacterial potency. Next, please. Then we have done the MIC study, which we called minimum inhibitory concentration. The lowest dose needs to kill the bacteria or control the growth of bacteria. In that also, Synca HBR performed better than BMD and alcohol, means higher potency at lower dose. Next. After this encouraging result, we did several in vivo studies in broiler birds. In that, we have studied with and without challenging the birds. And for that, we checked the intestinal content of the birds. In first study, we have found that in compared to halconol, the lactobacilli count in intestinal content was much higher in Synca HBR treated group, and even than the comparison to the normal group. Means the better gut microflora balance happens with Synca HBR. Next. After that, similarly, we have checked E. coli and Salmonella count in the gut in unchallenged birds. Here also, Synca HBR has better means control of Salmonella and E. coli than that of BMD and halconol, means better pathogen control. Next. After that, on 14th day, we challenged these birds with huge IBC challenge of using cocktail of E. coli, Salmonella, Clostridia, and Staphylococcus bacteria, huge amount on 14th day. After that, we checked the lactobacillus count in the intestinal content, and it was encouraging and much better than in compared to halcinol and BMD, proving that even challenging conditions, the gut health flora balance is better in Cinca HBr. Next. After that, we also again studied the E. coli and Salmonella count inside the intestine in challenging or stress condition. After challenging the huge infection, even after that situation, Cinca HBr showed much better Salmonella and E. coli control inside the gut, means better pathogen control after using Cinca HBr. Next. So it is controlling pathogens inside the gut, improving healthy bacteria. So it should reflect in the liter. So that's why we also study the liter moisture percent. As earlier I said, healthy gut is equal to healthy liter is equal to healthy bird. So in that study, without challenge and with challenge, we have seen the better liter moisture management by the Cinca HBr. Means reduce challenges of diarrhea and wet litter. In Cinca HBr group, we have seen in compared to halcinol and BMD. Next, please. After these studies, also one encouraging study we have done, it's regarding the cytokine messenger molecules, which improves the immunity in the birds. They are IFN gamma and IL-2 genes. They are the markers for the gut immunity and the performance of the birds. In that we have seen with and without challenge in Cinca HBr, these two parameters were seen elevated. So means the immunity and stronger protection also provided by Cinca HBr along with the better gut health. Means your birds will be having better immunity. Due to that, they will have better performance. Next slide, please. So this is the same study with challenge. After inducing the challenge, the IFN gamma and IL-2 genes were the better in Cinca HBr groups. Means even in challenges, Cinca performs better. It gives better immunity and better gut health. Next. After these encouraging studies at the research and trial levels, it was all about what happening inside the birds. But what you farmers see, what you see what happening in your farm, like body weight of the bird, litter quality at the farm, loose dropping is there or not, is there any diarrhea situation or everything, you can see at your farm. We will not go every time to the lab. That's why we were encouraged to do the performance study, and we did that performance study in Ramadutta Institute, Hyderabad, under the guidance of Dr. Ramarao. And in that study, so these results were encouraging at intestinal level, so they will deliver in the birds. And that happened, that delivered that Cinca HBr increased the digestibility of protein and energy, and it also improved the FCR in the broiler birds in compared to BMD and halcinol, which are the age-old molecules. So it is a perfect solution or replacement or modern day solution for your broiler birds, I can say. Next slide. So what are the benefits of using this Cinca HBr? It prevents and controls gastrointestinal infections. It prevention and control of diarrhea of specific and non-specific origins. Ensure total gut integrity with better nutrient absorption, hence improved egg production, better egg grading, and better growth rate in case of broiler birds. Next, please. So the user's recommendation for this particular product is 500 gram per ton of feed on regular basis, or as per recommended by your nutritionist or consultant, as they know your farm very well. So they are very better judge, and it is novel solution for digestive disorder, loose droppings, gut health, E. coli, and Salmonella in the intestine. Next slide, please. For over the years of these research trials and backed with all the technical data, we have received 2 awards for this particular product from the reputed organization. One is from the Economic Times, the Veterinary Pharma Innovation of the Year in 2023, and in 2024 by GEF Global Foundation. It is a global sustainability platform. It is collaborated with the Department of Science and Technology, India. They have given us the award for this particular Veterinary Pharma Company of the Year in 2024 held at Delhi. Thank you. If you have any queries and you are interested into our gut health solution, please visit us at desk number 2. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.